Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my channel. Our house has been sick with flu A, flu B, and strep throat the last few weeks, so we have been going through it. We are all better now, and I have been doing a pretty good job, if I do say so myself, with keeping the house up, but we're going to do a whole house reset. If you need some serious cleaning motivation, keep on watching. My youngest son had a soccer tournament, which was all day from 8:15 to 3:30 on Saturday morning. This is Friday evening when I'm filming this, and I knew that with a busy weekend ahead, I needed to go ahead and knock out some serious cleaning. We stopped off at BJ's, which is kind of like Costco, to pick up some pretzels and cheese crackers. That's what we volunteered to bring for the whole soccer team. And I also picked up some snacks for myself from Aldi to make sure that I have my snacks down. The lines at concessions are always so long, and the food is overpriced and not that good. So I'm just bringing some healthy and not so healthy options to have so that I don't get hungry. I was originally scheduled to bring the going home snacks for a Friday game, but they ended up not having a Friday game and they put all the games on Saturday. So I just took the bags and they came in handy because we packed all of their little lunches in them, and then the kids got to take the bags home. So that was super cute and super convenient. It feels so good to be filming again. Like I said in the beginning, the entire house has been sick. First, the kids got the flu, then I got the flu, then my fiance got the flu, and then Ethan got strep throat, and he is just finishing up his antibiotics, like just in time for the soccer tournament, although his doctor cleared him to go back to school and stuff after being on his meds for 48 hours. So it has been wild. There is nothing like everyone being sick that motivates me to clean everything. It just makes me feel so much better, even though I'm feeling horrible while I'm doing it. Having things being wiped down and with the Clorox wipe and sprayed with Lysol and just, you know, cleaning the sheets and making sure everyone, all of that stuff, it took all of the energy that I had. It took all the energy to do it, but I just felt so much better doing it, and I am pretty sure that we would have been sicker longer. Especially flu A has been hitting our area so hard this season. So yeah, I'm trying to be as vigilant as possible with keeping everything clean and sanitized, and also washing backpacks and lunch boxes when they come home from school, taking those school clothes off as soon as they get in the house, and taking baths as soon as they get in the house. We're going to be implementing that seriously because it has been crazy.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, son.
It's so expensive. Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin.
So I am spraying the counters here. This does have active ingredients that kill a 99.99% of germs and stuff. So while that is sitting on the counter to let those ingredients work, I'm going to be filling out my calendar for March, which is obviously delayed for the reasons I have explained before. And now, once this has had the chance to sit, I'm going to wipe it down.
Come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe-take somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappear, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, then roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treasures, little twin, you my twin. You my treasures, little twin, you my twin, brother. When I need a friend, only friend.
Who can I depend on like you, no one? What? In the bed, she get wicked with her parents, she be wholesome. Whoa, I don't show ID at clubs cause they know that I'm 21. Whoa, 21. Who would do the things we do for each other, nigga? No, whoa. Would you die for me? Would you go at niggas' necks like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me? Or do a crime at a time when it was loose for me?
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. I would lay something down for you. I'll play a whole time for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you. Switching up my fingers for my dog.
Now we are moving on to mopping the floors. I'm doing 1 pitcher of boiling water and then I'm going to do the rest with just the hottest water from the tap. I saw somewhere about not damaging your floors by using too hot of water, but obviously I want them to do what hot water does to floors, especially after all of us being sick, so I felt like this was a happy medium.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies.
Hey,
you
go
dreaming
ahead,
about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better.
Now that the kitchen is done, the floors are nice and clean, everything is packed up for the soccer tournament, I'm going to move upstairs and get started on laundry. Typically, I do the boys' laundry either on a Saturday after sports or on Sunday after church, and doing it on a Friday was kind of nice because then all I had to do was put them away when I had time throughout my busy weekend. This week, if you have time on Friday, just throw the kids stuff in the washing machine like that they wear for school, and let me know how you like that flow. Now moving on to my room. This was the book that my mom, my sister, and my niece, we just got finished reading that for our little family book club that we started this year. And I'm so happy that we're doing that. It's so much fun. If you and your friends or your close family members wanted to do something fun together that didn't require you all to be with each other and you have busy schedules, a book club I think is a great idea.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one trying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one trying? Just trying to be you even to the main one trying. You fight me and the main one trying. You blame me and the main one lying. You blame me and the main one trying. You fight me and the main one trying. You blame me and the main one lying. Your love is fading. I feel it. Roll up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I love it, I wanna, I'm trying to feel it. I'ma rock the boat, work the middle till I hurt. I feel it.
I am just pulling out my oldest uniforms from the dryer so they don't get wrinkled, and the rest of it is going in the basket. After a short water break, we are tackling this bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and sort my laundry. All of this laundry is not going to get done tonight because I had an early morning the next day. So I'm just sorting it and just making it better for my future self. Honestly, that is what this entire thing is about, because I know I'm not going to have time throughout the weekend to do certain things, or I'm just going to be less motivated because I'm so busy. So just having the piles out ready to go, sitting in line waiting, it just makes it easy. When I walk by, I see it, I put it in the washing machine, I switch the laundry when I walk by, you know? So little things like that just kind of keeps you going. So now I'm just getting this counter clear. I'm consolidating all of the almost empty bottles with the new bottles that I have purchased. I am keeping the promise that I made to myself to not over purchase, which has been made easy by the fact that I haven't been going to Target. I haven't been going into Target. Honestly, don't know what I was buying. I was going to Target like 3 and 4 times a week, and I haven't been in over a month, and I don't feel any different. If I need something, I just figure out what store carries what I need. I go to that store, I buy that one item. I'm not tempted to go on a full peruse around all the sections and finding things that I don't need. It has been very liberating, honestly.
I wanna get with you, yeah, I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. You just spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah,
Whip, body, grip, got it, die on it. Did I ever
take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay, just wanted you to show me. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
After I move all the laundry to where I can see it right outside the laundry room, I'm just pulling everything out of the shower, and then I'm going to spray it with the Clorox mold and mildew spray. This is one of those things that has like active ingredients and kills 99.99% of germs. And while we were sick, I was spraying the shower down with the daily shower cleaner in combination with just regular Lysol because I just didn't have it in me to do the full scrub. This is going to be the first time that I'm using a pretty heavy chemical outside of Lysol to clean the shower. So I'm just spraying it down and letting it sit. And while it's sitting, I'm going to tackle the toilet. And you see, I'm running out of this spray. We're getting rid of everything before we repurchase anything. I have so many duplicates and just different kinds of cleaning products in here. It's really insane. So we're working our way through it. We're getting this toilet clean, and then we'll hop back to the shower after we're done with this.
Getting your business, getting your business. I wanna get kids, I wanna get rich, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. You spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
Just want to start by saying that I almost passed out. It was one of those it's one of those times where it was like way too much. I still smell this stuff in my nostrils like right now, but it was definitely worth it. I've had a couple of wash days in here since it's gotten a really good scrub like this, just because we have all been out of it. So I am just scrubbing it down in my socks. Yes, my socks were bleached too. And this black shirt is now tie-dye at this point, but like I said, it was worth it. The boxes in the bottom left-hand corner right next to the shower, those have shelves in them to go in the shower so I can put all of my products on them, but I just have not gotten around to installing them. So at some point I will put them up. The black box that's sitting on top is actually a shower filter because we have pretty hard water here, and I just know it's the reason I'm bald-headed right now. Never mind the braids and the sew-ins with leave out and my slick back buns. It's the hard water.
But you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body.
My face right here says it all.
Now I'll be still it was worth it.
And we are all done. It felt so good to take a shower in here the next day. Oh, the faint smell of bleach, there's nothing like it. Sometimes we don't get it all done. We don't have the time because of the kids. We don't have the energy. And sometimes we're just sick. It's really about setting it up for your future self to succeed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.